Error 0xA00F4244. Camera dead. 11 fixes that work. Let's go.
Windows can't detect your camera. Let's fix it right now.
Fix number 1. Check your physical connection. If you use a USB webcam, unplug it, wait 10 seconds, and plug it back into a different USB port. If your laptop has a privacy shutter, slide it open. Many laptops also have a keyboard shortcut to toggle the camera. Lenovo uses Fn+F8, HP uses Fn+F6, Dell uses Fn+F9, and ASUS uses Fn+F10. Try these first before anything else.
Fix number 2. Check your camera privacy settings. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Camera. Make sure camera access is turned on. Then turn on Let Apps Access Your Camera. Finally, scroll down and make sure each app that needs the camera has its toggle enabled. This is the most commonly overlooked cause, and it takes just seconds to check.
Fix number 3. Enable the camera in Device Manager. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand the Cameras or Imaging Devices category. If you see your camera with a down arrow, it is disabled. Right-click it and select Enable Device. If you do not see the camera's category at all, click View and then Show Hidden Devices.
Fix number 4. Update your camera driver. The fastest way is through Windows Update. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Install everything available, including optional driver updates. Alternatively, in Device Manager, right-click your camera, select Update Driver, and let Windows search automatically. Outdated drivers are the #1 cause of this error.
Fix number 5. Switch to the generic USB video device driver. This is an official Microsoft recommendation. In Device Manager, right-click your camera, go to Properties, then the Driver tab. Click Update Driver, then Browse My Computer. Then let me pick from a list. Select USB video device and click Next. This generic driver works with most webcams and often fixes the error instantly.
Fix number 6. Completely reinstall the camera driver. In Device Manager, right-click your camera and select Uninstall Device. Make sure to check the box that says Delete the driver software. Then restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall a fresh driver on boot. If the camera still does not appear, click Action and then scan for hardware changes.
Fix number 7. Run the Windows Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters. Run the Camera Troubleshooter first, then the Video Playback Troubleshooter. These built-in tools can automatically detect and fix common camera issues. They take just a few minutes and can save you a lot of trouble.
Fix number 8. Enable the camera in your BIOS. Restart your computer and press the BIOS key during boot. Dell uses F2, HP uses F10, and Lenovo uses F1 or the Novo button. Navigate to Integrated Devices or Security, find the camera option, and set it to Enabled. Save your changes and exit. If the camera was disabled in BIOS, Windows could never see it.
Fix number 9. Apply the registry fix for frame server mode. Press Win+R, type Reget and press Enter. Navigate to the Windows Media Foundation platform key. Create a new DWALD value called Enable Frame Server Mode and set it to 0. This fixes conflicts when other apps try to use the camera exclusively. Always back up your registry before making any changes.
Fix number 10. If you are on Windows 11 version 24H2, this one is critical. The February 2025 cumulative update broke cameras on many laptops. The fix is to download the latest Intel 2D imaging driver from your laptop manufacturer website. Alternatively, go to Windows Security, Device Security, Core Isolation, and turn off memory integrity. Then restart your computer. For a permanent fix, update the driver instead of leaving memory integrity disabled.
Fix number 11. Check your antivirus software. Programs like Kaspersky, Bitdefender, Norton, and ESET have webcam protection features that can silently block your camera. Temporarily disable your antivirus and test the camera. If that fixes it, add the camera app to your antivirus whitelist instead of leaving protection off.
Now let us look at all the root causes together.
Driver issues are the most common, followed by Windows updates breaking existing drivers. BIOS settings, privacy settings, and antivirus software are also frequent culprits. Physical hardware switches, corrupted app data, registry issues, system file corruption, and hardware failure round out the list. Understanding the cause helps you pick the right fix much faster.
To prevent this error from coming back, keep Windows and your drivers updated at all times. Check your antivirus camera settings regularly. Run hardware diagnostics monthly to catch problems early. Do not skip Windows updates, and do not ignore privacy setting changes after major updates. Building these habits will keep your camera working reliably.
And that is how you fix error 0xA00F4244 on Windows. If this guide helped you get your camera working again, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment telling us which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.